Welcome back, YouTubers. Today, as stated in the title, I'm going to be looking at what's in my tool chest. This is the only part of the chest I've got. It's a Sealey American Pro with the ball bearing sliders. I was going to get the 7 drawers that fit underneath, but yet to do so. I'm still trying to justify it at the moment to see whether the drawers will get used. But we'll have a look what's in the 9 drawer top tool chest, I suppose. So we'll start. I've got my tool pouch on hand, just an array of vacuum insulated screwdrivers, different size flats, posi 1, posi 2, some of the CK tools, multi-cable cutters, strippers, got the pin cutters, so open them up, slide a pin in, and also crimpers for crimping your ends over. If you strip a cable back, you want to double the end over. That's what that's designed for. Put that to one side. In here, RS brand. Double-ended ratchets. That's the brand name and part number. So we've got 8 and 9, 10 and 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, 17 and 19, 20, 22. Just a small set. As you can tell, it's probably never been used or been used the odd time. We've got my older Fluke T100s. Obviously you've seen in previous videos I'm using the D-Log ones in my Vito Pro pack. These were my go-to ones, but unfortunately, it's there at the moment, this end has snapped off, making them non-compliant with GS38. So, and a lot of the time it gets stuck in there. I might, while I've got it there, leave it out and glue it back on, to be fair. I'll leave them there for now, because it doesn't it's been in that lid for about 2 years. A cheap head torch with the 3 LEDs and the 1 normal lamp. I don't know what the brand is. Cormora? No, I'm not sure. I'm not sure where I got that one from. Maybe off a market. Little Stanley 3-meter tape measure. These were cheap. Roebuck 7-piece insulated precision screwdriver set. I think I paid £5 for these online. They do say insulated to 1000 volts. If I would trust that or not, I don't know. They are cheap, made in China. For what I do, I wouldn't use them on much more than 12 volts anyway. You know, power supplies for doors and things. That's the reason I brought them. I've got a lighter for barbecues and stuff, fire pits, barbecues, a magnet. This one come from PB Plumbing, which was a gift from him. part of one of the giveaways on Instagram if you want to look for PB Plumbing. A couple of bits of cheap Aldi pliers, some PTFE tape. At the back I've got a Roebuck Precision handbook, data charts for reference tables, Speedy Precision data charts, just an old electrical yearbook, 1968. It was the year my mother was born, so I brought it really as a novelty item to see what the world of electric was like in the year that my mum was born. Some pens, a couple of clamps on the side. In here we've got a spark plug gap servicing tool. It's an old one, Champion. I'm not a car mechanic, I'm an electrician. Sort of was gifted to me, so I chucked it in here. But in here I've got a 1/4 inch Halford's Professional socket set. So it comes with the ratchet, an extension, a joint, and then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 ends going from, let's say it was the smallest, 3.5mm to 14mm. I'm pretty sure that was the smallest, 3.5. Looks it. It didn't come in this fancy tray. I purchased this on eBay. It was in a real terrible state. I did paint it with some Hammerite paint. Obviously you can see it's getting a bit mucky again now, probably needs another paint over. But yeah, I cleaned it up. I did stick a sticker on, snap-on sticker. I was going to try and get a snap-on set for it because I was pretty sure that's what originally came in it. If anybody else got any options, if they've seen this box before with something else in it, let me know. But it fits in here nicely, there's some spare spaces, so it'll do. Got a bit of a knife, another knife at the back there. Forsman 5mm tape measure, tape, padlock, a couple of long drill bits that can fit in the drill box. In the top I have got 2 of the old J. Rathbone and Sons, made in England, Birmingham, spirit levels. One with a side bubble and one which is missing its side bubble, unfortunately. Again, brought mainly as novelty. I wouldn't be using them for anything precise. I've got a Halford's Professional 3/4 inch 3/8 drive socket set with 2 extension bars, deep sockets, 19 to 10 I think, and shallow sockets again 19 to 6. This tray didn't come with the box, or did it? I don't think it did. I think I brought this tray off eBay. I don't think it came with the Sealey Pro, but I may be mistaken. Apologies if I am mistaken, Sealey. The box itself, I've had it for, I'd say, about 4 years. I'm not a mechanic, you know. I couldn't justify buying a snap-on. I think I paid about £48 for this one, maybe 45. They're not great quality, I'll be honest, but for me it does the trick. Keep my bits in it, my socket sets, they kept dry, you know. no rust on them, as you've just seen. So it's doing its job. Top, some hand drivers, some bits from my drill sets, nail punch set. It's like an all-in-one tool. B&Q Magnuson, not really used, I'll be honest. I don't carry one on my hip. Some drill, screw extractors, I think. Draper. Moving along, this is all taps and dies, mainly Dormer, some Stanley blades in here. There's a Weaver 1/4 inch, from 1/4 inch to like, you know, screw end adapter. The radiator key, still new. Some Dormer drills in this one, different types of drills, mainly jobber, some of your gold tips. Kennedy screw extractor set, some made in China clamps, and some Draper nut crackers. If you get a stubborn nut you can't get off, there is the option to crack them off. And here's just some mixed screwdrivers, a couple of pairs of Barco, Ego, cutters, long nose pliers, some small small Nipex side cutters, mainly CK screwdrivers, so Facom there. That's a Barco, I think. No, it's a CK. One of the distribution board drivers. I think this is an old Facom. Old style Facom. Some mixed old English ones there. Spanners. 9/16, 1/2 inch, 3/8, and then a set of gear wrench ratchet spanners. I think it's 18 to 10. Pretty sure, yeah, 10 mil, and then up to 18. And this one, a few bits, some long, extra long drill bits, an 8mm and a 10mm. Fantastic screwdriver, CK Tools, long reach, Posi 2. Not insulated though, as you can see I've taped it. If this was insulated, it'd be probably the best buy I've ever had from CK Tools. But it's not insulated, unfortunately. Another Dormer drill set. A Brown and Sharp. It needs cleaning up really. I bit neglected. I found it on a boot sale. So it needs a good clean up. I've not tested it. It still works. But it's all there. It's original box. Brown and Sharp USA. Nice bit of kit. Some cable strippers, don't use them. CK. The Nipex Cobra soft grip. Big Daddy O's. Some Thornsman, like channel lock pliers. And here we've got some Barco, 12 inch, a 10 inch, Forsman long nose, needle nose. Some spare blades for my Cheviv deburring tool, which is in the Vito. Pretty sure, yeah, it's in the backside somewhere. Some record 12-inch plumber's grips. Just trying to think what they like. Stillies, aren't they? Stillies, is it? And some Jedor 12-inch Stilsons. These are both car boot finds. They work, just need a bit of a clean up really. Another douse of grease. These Stanley Fat Max, I've got 2 sets of these. Only 1 set is in here. These are beasts. These are for, you know, your big armoured cable glands. That's what I brought them for and used them for anyway. As an industrial electrician, in the past, that was what they were brought for. Some squares, adjustable squares. More and right precision square, still in its original greaseproof paper. Running out of space on the bench. So yeah, this kit does just stay